Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 1F Dispenser Sale. We go to the instruction file. So assign my title is the Excel 1F Dispenser Sale. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics and other courses. So we go to the instruction file. So we can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the file student Excel 1F dispenser sales downloaded with this projects. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is merge and center the title and then subtitle across the column A to F and then apply the title and heading one cell style. Merge and center the title. Select the cell A1 to F1 is the merge and center. Go to the home tab, go to the alignment groups, click the merge and center. Merge and center the title and then subtitle across the and subtitle is the merge and center. And apply the title and heading one cell style. Go to the cell style group, click the style is the title cell style and subheading is the apply the heading one cell style. Heading one cell style. So question number 2 is the complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is make the cell A1 is the active cell and then check the spelling in your worksheet. Correct the Npkin is napkins. If any column or narrow to display the all data, apply the AutoFit column. Select the cell is A1 and correct the spellings. Go to the review tab. Go to the proofing group. Click the spellings and change all. So spell checks is complete. You are good to go. Click OK. And if any column are narrow to display all data, apply the AutoFit column. Select the column A to F and apply the AutoFit column. So question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in the cell E4 construct a formula to calculate the total sale of the condiments racks by the multiplying the quantity sold sign in the retail price. Copy the formula down for the remaining products. Select the cell as E4 and calculate the total sales condiments and racks by the multiplying quantity sold. Select the cell as E4 is the total sales, type is equal to, and select the cell is C4 multiplier D4 is the retail price sold, quantity sold and retail price. Press enter and copy the formula down remaining products. Copy the formula through the remaining products. So question number 4 is a complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is select the range E4 to E10 and then use the quick analysis tool to sum the total sales for all products, which will be the formatted is the bold to the total cell is E11 and apply the total set style. Copy the range E4 to E10 and paste the range. Press enter. And then using the quick analysis total sum, total sales all products. Total sale for all products. Total sum of the total sales all products. Click the total and click the sum. Total sale for all products. And formatted the bold. Go to the home tab, click the bold, and to the total cell in E11 apply the total cell style. Select the cell is E11, apply the total cell style, go to the style group, click the total cell style. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is a using the absolute cell reference is necessary so that you can copy the formula in cell F4. Construct a formula to calculate the percentile total sales for the first products. Copy the formula down through the remaining products. Using the absolute cell reference in a cell F4 is construct a formula calculate the percentile and total sales. Select the cell is F4, type is equal to, and select the condiment stacks is total sales divided by a total sales for all products, and apply the absolute cell reference. Press F4 button, press enter, and copy the formula down through the remaining products. Copy the formula through the remaining products. So question number 6 is the complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is a to the computed percentile and apply the percentile to decimal places and then center the percentage. Apply the percentile. Go to the home tab. Go to the number group. Click the percentage. And to two decimal places center the percentage. Go to the number group. Click the two decimal places. Type the two decimal places. And then center the percentage. Go to the home tab, go to the alignment group, click the center the percentage. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is a apply the combo style no decimal places quantity sold figure to the cell D4, E4 and D11. Apply the accounting number format, increase the column where this needed. Apply the comma style is no decimal places is the quantity sold figures. Select the quantity sold figures, apply the comma style and zero decimal places, comma style and no decimal places. Click the number and zero decimal places, click OK. And to sell the D4, E4, E11 and apply the accounting number formats, increase the column where this needed. Select the cell D4, E4. D4 is the apply the accounting number formats. Go to the number group, click the accounting number formats, click OK. And E4 apply the accounting number formats. D4, E4 and E11. Select the cell is E11, apply the accounting number formats. Increase the column where this needed. So apply the AutoFit column, all column, E to F column is AutoFit column. So question number 8 is a complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is to the range G5 to E10 apply the comma style, increase the column with this detated. Copy the range G5 to E10 and paste the range, press enter and apply the comma style. Comma style. So question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is change the change the retail price of the restaurant. Rex is 29.95. Change the value is retail price is the restaurant Rex. Select the retail price is the restaurant Rex is the retail price. Restaurant Rex is the retail price. The change the value is 29.95. Press enter and quantity source of the chess is shaker is 425. Quantity sold column, quantity sold column is the cheese shaker and 425. So question number 10 is the complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is delete the column B. Select the column B, right click and click the delete column B. So question number 11 is complete. We can move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is insert the new row 3 in the cell A3, type the month ending March 31 and then merge and center the text across in the range A3 to E3 and apply the heading to cell style. Insert the new row 3. Insert the new row 3, right click, click the insert a new row 3. In the cell A3 is the month ending March is 31. Copy the title and select the cell is A3 and paste the title. Month ending March is 31 and then merge and center the copy the range A3 to E3 and press enter, merge and center, go to the home tab, go to the alignment code, click the merge and center and apply the heading to cell style. Style is heading to cell style. So question number 12 is complete. We can move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is to the cell A12 apply the 20% SN1 cell style. Select the cell is A12. A12 is the apply the 20% SN1 cell style. Go to the cell style group, click the 20% SN1 cell style. So question number 13 is complete. We can move to the question number 14. So question number 14 is select the fourth column title, apply the wrap text, middle align and center the formatting and then apply the heading 3 cell style. Select the 4 column title. 1, 2, 3, 4 column title is total cells. Apply the wrap text. Go to the home tab, go to the landmark group, click the wrap text and middle align and centers. Apply the middle line and center the title, and then apply the heading 3 cell style. Go to the home tab, go to the apply the heading 3 cell style, go to the cell style group, the heading 3 cell style. So our question number 14 is a complete. We can move to the question number 15. So question number 15 is a center the worksheet horizontally on the page and insert the footer with the file name in the left section. Center the worksheet horizontally on the page. Go to the page layout tab, go to the page setup group, click the margin is the center, the worksheet horizontally is the margin, and then center horizontally worksheet on the page and then insert the footer with the file name left section. Click the header and footer, click the custom footer is the left section is the file name. Left section, center section and right section. Left section is the file name. Click OK and again OK. So question number 15 is a complete. We can move to the question number 16. Question number 16 is a display the document property and then as tag type the tabletop, dispenser and sales and subject box is your course name and section number. Be sure the name display the author. Copy the tag is table, tops, dispenser and sales. Go to the file tab, go to the info tab, tag, space the text, press enter. Question number 16 is a complete.